Lesson 1, Topic, Coordinate Plane, Learning Target. I can identify and plot points in a coordinate plane. Vocab. First off, this is our coordinate plane, and it's split into 4 pieces. It's split by what we call our axes. So the one that goes left to right through the middle is called our x-axis. And the one that goes up and down through the middle is called our y-axis. The point in the middle where the x and y-axis meet is called the origin. It also has the coordinate point of 0, 0. So a coordinate point tells you the location on the x-axis and your location on the y-axis. So how much do you move left and right versus how much do you move up and down? So the origin is that center, it's 0, it starts right in the middle. And then our coordinate plane is split into 4 sections. So we have what are called quadrants. So we have quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. And they do use Roman numerals to label the quadrants, so that is why I've written them with Roman numerals. So let's practice plotting points. Plot the following points. Make sure to label the points. We have, first point is A, 3, 4. So we have our x number and our y number. Here's our x-axis and our y-axis. So we always start in the middle at 0, 0. X is 3, that means we're going to go to the right 3. Y is 4, that means we're going to go up 4. And right here would be point A, because we're at 3 on our x-axis and 4 on our y-axis. So it's where those 2 lines would meet up. Point B, we have -2, 3. So again, we're going to start in the middle. -2 means we're going to go left 2 on our x-axis. And then +3 means we're going to go up 3. Plot that point at -2, 3. Again, we're at -2 on our x-axis and 3 on our y-axis. Next we have point C, which is -4, 0. So we're going to go over to -4 on our x-axis, so left 4. 0 means we're just going to stay on that axis, because remember the origin is 0, so anything on that line, x or y, would be 0. So y is 0, meaning we don't go up and we don't go down. So that's point C. On your paper right now, I'd like you to try plotting point D, E, and F, and then I will show you where they are, and you can make sure you did them correctly. So point D is -1, -5, which means you're going to go left 1 to -1 on your x-axis, and then -5 for y means we're going to go down 5. It'll be right there for point D. For point E, we have 3, -3. So that means we're going to go right 3 and down 3. And then point F is 0, 5. So 0 for x means we don't go left or right, but that 5 for y means we're just going to go up 5. And there's point F. Last thing that we're going to do is we're going to write an ordered pair for each point. So now that we're given the point, we have to write the coordinates. So for point G is right here. So we need the x number and the y number. So the x number would be right here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We went 5 right. So it would be +5. And then the y number would be 1, 2, 3, 4. We went up 4. So the points for G would be 5, 4. Next we have point H. So H is right here. So on our x-axis, we went to the right 3. And we're lining up with that 3 on the x-axis. And then for our y number, we are below the x-axis, which means we're negative because we went down. -1, -2, -3, we went down 3. Point J is right here. So if we look, we didn't go left on the x-axis and we didn't go right on the x-axis. We just went straight up. So that x number is 0, and we went up 1, 2. So we are at 2 on our y-axis. So it would be 0, 2. Point K is right here. So point K, we went left 1 on our x-axis, so we're at -1. And then we went down 1, 2, 3, 4. We went down 4, so it would be -4 on our y-axis. Right now, I would like you to do L, M, and N. Put those in Edpuzzle and check to see if you are correct. After you're done with that, you can move on to your practice.